TT Squad, this is Tia. Today I'm making some shrimp scampi. The sauce, I'm making it with zucchini sauce. I mean zucchini instead of noodles. Let my pan get hot. And I'm about to cut down this TV because it's making too much noise. I'm back. Sorry I left. Okay. Already, well, you know you can't rinse shrimp off. So I'm about to put this in the pan. This time I already washed my hands. I think I got more shrimps in it than I had my shrimp fried rice because my son ain't here and ain't nobody here to eat them. Because he ate the last one. I think I had, he was not trying to let me. And these are bigger than the last one still. I think they had them on sale for like $6 at Giant. And of course, I got me 1.5 pounds. Because I'm going to make some seafood. I mean, I'm going to make some, I'm going to make some seafood salad. Got bleach in my water. I got to wash my dish out. Look at me. It's going to be really, really delicious. Got my zucchini already together. Got my asparagus. Then I got my tomatoes and my onions and my green peppers. Yeah! I got everything already organized and together. So I'm going to sit there and look at that. Well, turn them over in a little while. Because I heard they only take like 7 minutes. I don't know how many times I cooked them. Didn't cook them last time. I know my sister said when the tail turns orange or something, flip them over. That's why I really don't cook shrimp because I really don't know. I've already had somebody else do it. We having a marathon in D.C. and I can't get out my house if I wanted to. Can't go to no stores, can't go. I can go on the porch if I wanted to. But they got that marathon in D.C. and they close off everything. Minnesota Avenue closed off where my sister lives at. Can't get to her. I can't get across 11th Street Bridge if I wanted to. A lot of things I can't do if I wanted to, so I'm really stuck in here. So I said, why not just start on my video? So we're gonna try it. So that's what I'm doing, starting on the video. And they look pretty good. I know I'm supposed to use this because they mess my pan up, but they don't. What else I'm going to do? I don't know if I'm supposed to cook it all together or what. Let's eat these frogs. I'll be right back. TT Squad, I'm back. I got everything in here now. I got turn my stove down a little bit. I had to turn this on because mine will go off really quick. I'm going to wait till this get halfway down before I put the shrimp back in there. And I didn't put no seasoning on it or nothing because the bottom of the shrimp had a little seasoning on it. And it was in the bottom of the pan. So I'm just going to that's cool. I just add a little bit more olive oil to it. That was it. Let it cook for a minute. Then I had to turn that on because my fire alarm goes off really quick. Like you burning something, I can be cooking shit. I don't know, I cook anything, it just goes off. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook for like 10 minutes, simmer down. And I'll be right back, TT Squad. Hey TT Squad, I'm back. Look at it cooking so nice and well. Smells so good. I did wind up adding salt and pepper in it, but just a little bit. Now I'm putting the zucchini in it. I don't know if I want a lot of zucchini. And I'm gonna add the shrimp back there. Yeah. No, I don't think I'm gonna add a lot of zucchini in it. Cause I'm the only one eating this. I might take my cousin some. Look, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all look at it. Cause I'm curling around the top. Look. It looks very delicious. I don't know if I'm able to eat a lot of it, but I'm going to eat some of it. So I'm gonna let this simmer down for like 10 minutes. Take this. I need to give me something to put that on. I don't know why I don't have that on nothing. Put this in the refrigerator. I like this. Yes, it smells delicious. And I'll be right back, TT Squad. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. And I am about to try it. I don't think I put enough zucchini in it. I think I made it too, a little too. I think I need to try it again. If you don't do something pretty soon, you're gonna need a new knee, maybe even a new hip. You gotta go to a specialist as soon as you can and just get a whole new foot. In the meantime, I could make some adjustments on the existing prosthetic and maybe give you some pointers on how to walk better. I just hate to see you needlessly suffer after all you've been through. Bam! I think I let the noodles cook. Not noodles, the zucchini to cook a little bit too long. See? But it's okay. Like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. Woo. Look. Loving it. Bye.